Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2011 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a soft top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have seating for 3 comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle, you have a 12-volt power outlet as well as 2 fold-out cup holders there. And then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the odometer, which is sitting at 97,861 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls to cycle through your information, such as your trip A and B mileage, your distance empty, fuel economy, trip timer. Then back to the start. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, and I believe also USB, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Moving down or up, whatever you want to say, traction control shutoff, hazards, and then you have your media controls, of course, and your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a cubby beneath it. Do also have an aftermarket trailer brake controller installed. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt with a cubby beneath it, and then you have another 12-volt with a cigarette lighter underneath your climate controls with your auxiliary and USB, so you can plug something into hook up your audio from there. Then you have a cubby down here for storage, and looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of that. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another compartment underneath that for even more storage, and 2 cup holders that slide out like so you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.